Alright, so I know I cleaned off my workbench and now it's almost dirty again, but I'm working on it. I got a plan. I get to practice my welding. Since I kind of suck at that, I might as well use every opportunity to practice. So I had cut these out one time to make a little God is Good keychain for the axe folks, but I decided they're really kind of too heavy for that. I really should have used a lot thinner metal and then it would have worked. So I have a bunch of these little blanks laying around. So I'm just gonna take 12 of them and rig up something kind of like that, you know, and attach it to the side. You know, it'll be a nice little practice for welding, and it'll actually work just perfect because it'll stick out they're about 2 inches long, so should stick out about 2 inches on each side, which is what I was planning on doing. So right now I'm just gonna drill, mark the top one, clamped them in here. I'm gonna drill the two, this is gonna be the mounting plate, the one that'll go into the wood. So I'm gonna drill 2 holes on there for that. And then I'm gonna mark this one and drill 1 hole towards the outside edge, about 1 inch in. Guess a drill bit helps. Alright, there's all my pieces. Now I just gotta get them all welded together. This is what they're gonna kind of look like. I'm just gonna rig them up something like that. Maybe I'll do it the long ways, give a little bit more support out here. Yeah, I'll probably do it like that. I think would be the best. And then put my caster in here like this. Boom. Like that. Okay, so I'm just getting all these set to tack the first portion on. I'm going to tack this, I'm going to tack the L-shaped together, and then I will I'll flip the magnet the other way and get it lined up for the side piece right here. This is going to be pretty close to 90, not quite, but it's good enough for a caster. Well, I guess while I got the welder out, I might as well finish this scraper. It's an old hoe head that I got from my mom. She had it in the garage and was going to throw it out when she moved. And I thought, that'd be really good. I got this little 3/4 or 1/2 inch square tube that I've got. And this will make a perfect scraper for the coals. If I really thought about it, I could have cut 2 little slits for those to slide down in, but I'm just gonna goop a bunch of weld on there and we'll be good. Like I said, it's just gonna scrape coal. Those are still kind of hot. I think it'll work. do like my green. As always, we thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Get outside, do something on your own. You get that satisfaction of building it or making it yourself. We thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.